Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is some tips and tricks on Skate 4, okay, the newly released game. Now, first of all, what I'm gonna recommend you do is that you dial your control preset and the flick sensitivity. And for this, you basically have to press, escape or, just your menu button on your controller. Press X to go to your settings and then click on settings. Now just go to gameplay in here. And I recommend that you're gonna change your control preset to either classic or experience, okay? But this is gonna take some practice to get used to because it's slightly more complex. Here you can see the different controls once I actually, press on them. Probably classic is your best bet, okay? And then I also want to change your flexing sensitivity and to decrease it, okay, a little bit. So what you can do basically is, how much your movement speed is going to translate to the height and the flip that you are, trying to do, okay? I recommend keeping it to 0, but this is going to take some, time to get used to, okay? So just try this and see how it goes. Another trick that I'm going to give you that is actually very useful is, again, just go to the menu in here and press settings by pressing X and go to the Skatepedia in here. Here you're going to find a list of, a lot of different tricks that you can find. This is actually amazing, guys, because here you have every single trick on the book. And what I'm going to recommend you do is that you focus on, 5 to 10. Do not try all of them, just like, 5 or 10. And try to get the timing right, and do some challenges and things like that. For example, you can try to get on top of this building in Hardcore Plaza. You can get to the very top by, like I saw you in the previous video, basically starting to climb manually in here. And then you can try these 5 to 10 different tricks and get the perfect timing. Thank you so much.